Yes. 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 But why are we doing this? Yes. I mean, could we live in a world where a burp is a meaningful communication? I would, you know, I would burp a lot more if I felt that people were okay with burping, but they're not. I mean, I know because I have burped, and these women mostly look over at me like, what did you just do? And I look at them and I don't say anything, but I'm chuckling inside. I'm thinking, so it burping is an unknown. You don't know who is going to hear the burp, first of all, and then how they would react to it once they have heard it. I mean, sometimes people actually ask me about burping, and I say, well, it just comes naturally with me. And one thing often leads to another, and then we end up. Well, it depends. It really depends on who this was that I had. Right, because I mean, if it was, let's just say it was a young lady like you know, and she said we started talking about burping, and I said I burp, and she says, well, I burp. And then what happens is there's a bond that's created here, and then suddenly